cannonball! Watch this big splash! Don't move! Don't move! Is that really a shark? Yay! I want to jump in the water first.
Wait for me, Lily. Let's find our chairs first, okay?
Jack! Come swim with us. I brought something really cool today. I'm coming, Tom. Race you to the water. Splash me again, Jack. That was so much fun. Watch this. Oh, no. Ha. Look, everyone. Watch my new underwater dive. Jack, look at the water over there. What is that? I don't know. Is that a fin? A real fin?
Shark! Everybody get out of the water right now!
Oh! Kids, come here to me. Right now, please. Help! Somebody help us, please. Help! Get out! Run! I can't move. My legs feel like they are stuck.
Jack! Listen to my voice! Swim to the edge, now!
I'm too scared, Dad. It's getting closer to me. Jack, please swim. It's almost next to you. Somebody help my son, please. He can't move.
Please hurry, Alex. My son needs you. Everyone stay calm. I am going into the water right now. I'm right here, Jack. Grab onto my arm tightly.
I can't. I am too scared to move at all.
You are safe with me now. I will not let go. There we go, buddy. You're completely safe now.
Jack, are you okay? Come here, my brave boy. I was so scared, Mom. I really thought it was real.
Wait a moment. Let me look at this shark more closely. Ha! It's a giant pool toy. Oh no, that's my inflatable shark. It slipped out of my hands. Heh, here you go, kid. Ha! This is not a shark at all.
It was just a toy this whole time? That is so funny. I really thought it was a real shark out there.
I'm very sorry, Jack. I didn't know my toy would scare everyone.
Jack, it's okay to feel scared sometimes. Everyone feels scared sometimes. But next time, try to stay calm and quickly tell an adult. That's exactly right. Always let a grown-up check first before you panic.
I understand now. I will remember that important lesson. We are very proud of you. For staying brave in the water today. You are still the bravest big brother that I know. Can we please go back into the water again now?
Of course we can. Let's all swim together this time.
I promise, Jack. No more surprises for the rest of today.
No one is coming to find you here, little girl.
Lily? The juice is ready! Lily, where are you? Dad, I found the warehouse door. Police need to get inside now. Happy birthday, Emma. Thank you. Look, the clown is here.
Hello, kids! Who wants to see some real magic?
Lily, stay right here. I'll go get us some juice. Okay, Jack.
Hello, little star. Do you want this giant lollipop?
Wow, it's so big. Yes, please.
I have a whole box of new toys in my van. Come with me. Let's go see them quickly.
Okay, let's go. Lily? The juice is ready. Lily, where are you? What? She was right beside you a minute ago.
We have to find her Bit Tang. Right now.
Oh no. That clown is taking her away. I have to stop him. I'm coming, Lily. Hold on. They're gone. Which way did they go? Stay calm, Jack. Look for clues. I'm calling Dad right now. I'm calling Dad right now. Dad, emergency! A clown took Lily. I'm following the trail.
What? We're calling the police immediately. Keep your smartwatch on, Jack Dare. Do not go far. Jack, wait for me. Don't go ahead alone.
A melted lollipop on the ground. They went this way. A piece of her dress. Caught on this bush. Lily's hair clip. It's on the fence. They turned left, toward the road. The grass hides the footprints here. They went down the dirt road. Big shoes and small shoes walking side by side. Cookie crumbs! She's leaving me a trail of food. I need something else.
Dad, over here. Her bracelet pal and a broken balloon.
Officer. Officer. We're tracking them. My son found footprints near the old warehouse on Mill Road. Stay right behind me, Jack. We're close now.
Mom, sending my GPS location now.
I'm sending you our location. Please hurry.
I have to be very quiet. He can't see me.
We got it. It's the old warehouse. Everyone, go now.
Dad, I found the warehouse door. Police need to get inside now. I want my mommy. I want my brother.
Sit still and be quiet, you hear me? What was that noise? Is somebody out there?
I'll distract him. then sneak inside to get her.
Police! Step away from the child! Put your hands up!
Police. Hands where I can see them, right now.
Okay, what is next thing search you feel like?
Okay, I give up. Please don't hurt me. You're under arrest for kidnapping.
Now's my chance. It's so dark in here. Lily, can you hear me? Lily! Jack! I'm over here. I'm coming, Lily. Don't cry, I found you. You're safe now. Jack, you saved me. Thank you so much. Lily, Jack, are you both okay? My babies, thank goodness you're safe. Lily, why did you go with that stranger? He gave me a giant lollipop. I was very silly. Never take gifts from strangers, Lily. I understand, Mom. I promise I will never do that again.
Bad people use toys and sweets to trick children.
Jack, you were so brave and so smart today. And Jack prined. Your plan was very clever. But next time, please don't follow alone.
I understand, Dad. I promise.
Excellent detective work, young man. You helped us solve this case.
I just followed the clues, sir. And used my smartwatch to call for help. Hey, friends! Do you remember what Lily's very first clue was?
Remember, stay together, never talk to strangers, and always tell an adult right away.